Hi guys, this is Harish Gaupale. Welcome to the channel Technology of LabVIEW and Automation. In this video, I'm going to explain you how we can use this constant from a LabVIEW like pi to pi, Planck's constant or speed of light meter per second constant to write the code. You know very well that we always use this pi to find the area of circle, volume of cylinder, and total surface of sphere, and curved surface of sphere, and etc. Also, we always use this 2 pi constant to find the perimeter of circle, total surface of right circular cylinder, third surface of hemisphere. Similarly, we can use this speed of light constant or Planck's constant to find the energy of a photon of electromagnetic radiation by using formula A is equal to hv. And also we know that we always use this speed of light in vacuum meter per second constant to find the balance by using Albert Einstein's main formula is equal to mc square. So let's get started to write code for finding mass energy equivalence, that is equal to mc square, and energy of photon of electromagnetic radiation by is equal to hv, and area of circle, perimeter of circle, volume of cylinder. So let's move to the screen. Now guys, in this code, first I'm going to design the UI on this front panel window for finding area of circle, perimeter of circle, and volume of cylinder. And we know that to find this area of circle, perimeter of circle, and volume of cylinder, we need a radius. And the universal truth is radius measured in meter or a centimeter. And even we will get the result of area of circle in meter square, or the result of perimeter of circle in a meter, or the result of volume of cylinder in a cubic centimeter. So as per our unit of radius or result, I think I should select meter controller or a meter indicator from the control palette. Okay, for that, right click on this front panel window, go to the numeric palette, and then click on this meter, then drop here. Now make it size large. Okay, then change the name from meter to radius. Okay, now increase the size of meter, that is 50, then write 50. Okay, so now right click on this radius, and then click on this change to control. Now it becomes controller. Okay, similarly again go to the control palette, then click on this silver option, then go to the numeric and click on this meter silver, and then paste here. Okay, similarly increase the size of this meter. Okay, change the name from meter to area of circle, that is AR of circle, then increase the size of range from 10 to 1000. Okay guys, this is the result, so we don't need to change into the controller. Okay, now right click on this area of circle and go to the properties, and then click on this show digital display, and then click on this okay. By doing this, we'll get a result in the form of digital show. Okay, change the position. Now it okay. Now guys, similarly I want result for perimeter of circle. So again go to the control palette, then click on this go to the classic, and then click on this numeric, and then click on this classic meter and drop here. Okay, then increase the size, change the name from meter to okay, then increase the range from 10 to 1000. Okay, then right click on this perimeters of circle, go to the properties, and then click on show digital display. Okay, and then click on this OK button. Now you can see the digital display indicator. Okay, now maximize this front panel window. Again, go to the control palette, then click on this NXG style, then go to the numeric and click on this meter NXG style. Okay, and kept here. Now increase the size of this meter, change the name from meter to volume of cylinder, VOLUME, volume of cylinder, CYLINDER. Okay, right click on this volume of cylinder, go to the properties, and again click on this show digital display. Okay, now increase the range from 10 to 1000. Okay, again increase size. Now guys, we know the unit of this radius is meter, so edit this text. Okay, and write in bracket meter. Similarly, the unit of this area of circle is meter square. The unit of this perimeter of circle is meter, and the unit of this volume of cylinder is cubic centimeter. Now select this text, and increase size, text size. That's good size. Similarly with this radius text, then area of circle, similarly increase the size of this perimeter of circle. Okay, and change the position of this digit indicator. Now guys, I want to change the color of these radius indicator, radius controller, area of circle indicator, perimeter of circle indicator, and volume of cylinder indicator. So for that, click shift and right, and then click on this color, then come to this radius controller, right click and change the color. That is, I want these colors. Okay, similarly with this area of circle indicator, right click, then change the color. Now I like this color. Now perimeter of circle, again right click, then change the color. That is yeah. Now go to the block diagram window, click on this block diagram window, and then maximize this. Okay, now change the position of this area of circle. Now guys, we know the formula of area of circle, that is pi r square. So we already have a radius. Okay, and now we need a square, so go to the numeric palette and click on this square. Okay, and then connect x terminal to the radius. Okay, now we need a pi, so go to the numeric palette and then go to math constant, that is math constant, and click on this pi and then kept here. Now guys, click control and space, go to the quick drop and enter multiply, multiply. Okay, multiply. double click and capture. Then connect this X terminal to the pi and Y terminal to the R square. Then connect this area of circle indicator to this multiply. Okay, now you can see this is the pi r square, area of circle is equal to pi r square. Okay, now guys, we know the formula of perimeter of circle, that is 2 pi r. So first change the position of this perimeter of circle. Then we already have radius, we need a 2 pi constant. So go to the numeric palette, go to the math constant and click on this 2 pi. Okay, and then click control space, multiply, double click, kept here. Okay, connect X terminal to this 2 pi, connect Y terminal to this radius, and connect this indicator terminal to this perimeter of circle. Okay, now you can see the formula of perimeter of circle, that is 2 pi r. Okay, similarly we know the formula of volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Okay, so again click on this x square and copy this x square and then paste here, control V. Okay, and then connect this terminal to the radius. So this is r square. Now we need pi. So copy this and paste here. Okay, now formula, remember once again I am repeating the formula, this pi r square h. So we have pi, we have r square, now we need h. Okay, so go to the front panel window, right click and go to the numeric palette and then click on this vertical slide bar and change the name, that is height, HEIGHT, height. Come to the block diagram window, now we have height. Okay, so first click on this multiple, copy and paste here, control V, pi r square. So connect X terminal to this pi, then connect Y terminal to this r square. Now multiply by h, again copy this multiply and then paste here. Now connect X terminal to this indicator of multiply, connect Y terminal to the height and then connect volume of cylinder to this indicator of this multiplication. Okay, now go to the control palette, click on this structure palette, click on this while loop and then drop here and create control to this conditional loop. Okay, now guys go to the front panel window. Okay, and select this height, make it size large. Okay, then increase range up to 100. Okay, and then change the size. Okay, that's good, and change the height of this height. Then right click on this height, go to the properties, click on the show digital display and change the fill color. Right now I want this dark yellow color. Okay, now click on this. Okay, yeah, so it looking good. Okay, now change the position of this stop button and increase the height, say increase the size. Now select this stop and make it size large. Okay, now select these all radius, area of circle and perimeter of circle. Click on this align object and click on this. Now you can see the perfect position of radius, area of circle and perimeter of circle. Okay, now guys click on this run button. Now you can see if I am increasing this radius up to 5 meter, then you can see automatically the area of circle is changing. The result, I'm getting the result of area of circle is 65 meter square, perimeter of circle that is 28 meter, and similarly if I increase the height, then you can see volume of cylinder that is 206 cubic centimeter. See the changes as I'm changing the radius or I'm changing the height. Okay, now click on this stop button. Now guys go to the block diagram window. Yeah, and as I already told you the formula to find the energy of a photon of electromagnetic radiation, that is E is equal to hv. So write in a comment that is E is equal to hv. Select these, make it charge large so it can be visible to you. Now E means what? Energy. H means what? Planck's constant. And V means what? Frequency. So we already have a Planck's constant, that is H. For that, go to the numeric palette, then math constant, and this is our Planck's constant. Now as per the formula we need a multiply, so copy this multiply and paste here. Okay, connect X terminal to this Planck's constant. Now create a controller to this Y terminal. Yeah, which is our frequency. So change the name, that is frequency. FREQUENCY. Okay, and then create an indicator, that is what? Our energy. ENERGY. Okay, now go to the front panel window. Yeah, and change the position of this energy, that is our indicator, and frequency. Select this frequency, change the position. Okay, and then select both of indicator and controller and make it size large. Okay, so it can be visible to us. Then increase size horizontally. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and then click on this run button. Now try to increase the frequency. See, we are getting the result of energy, that is energy of photon of electromagnetic radiation. Similarly change this radius and you can see we are getting the area of circle, perimeter of circle. Similarly if I'm changing this height, yeah, now see. Okay guys, so click on this stop button, then again go to this block diagram window. Now guys again we already know the formula to find the mass energy equivalence, that is E is equal to mc square. Okay, so it means what? Energy, mass multiplied by speed of light in a vacuum by unit meter per second. So we already have a speed of light in vacuum constant. So for that, go to the numeric palette, then math constant, and click on this speed of light in vacuum. Okay, as I already explained you, the formula is equal to mc square. So we have a c, we have constant c. Now we need a square. So click on this square, copy this square and paste here. Okay, and then connect to this c. Now it become c square, and then click on this multiply, copy and paste here. Okay, connect x terminal to this c square, then create a controller to this multiply, and that is our mass right here, mass. Okay, and then create indicator, which is our energy. Okay, so yeah, energy. Now guys, go to the block diagram front panel window, and then change the position of this energy indicator horizontally. Yeah, and this. Now click on this run button. Yeah, if I'm changing mass, now you can see the result which we are getting. Energy is equal to mc square and is equal to hv of circle, perimeter of circle, and volume of cylinder. Okay, now click on this stop button, then go to the block diagram window, click on this while loop, right click and go to the properties and click on this appearance subdiagram label visible and click on this OK. Now again go to the front panel window. Yeah, and then change the position of this stop. Similarly, this energy, change the position of both of these is equal to mc square and then is equal to hv. Okay, now right click on this vertical scroll bar and go to the properties, and then click on this background browse option and go to your folder and select background which you most like. Right now I like this, so click on this and then click on this OK button. Now you can see, and then click on this OK button, you can see a beautiful background. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you really like this video or if you learn something new today, then give this video a like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends.